Hello and welcome to, oh no, I have different roots. Where we'll learn what to do when you have different roots. Normally when we're doing problems with exponents and we come across a problem like this, x to the 3/4, y to the 1/4, if the directions are to change it into a radical, that's easy. They both have fourths, so I know my root is fourths, and I have x now to the third and y to the first. Done. Easy. Finished. No problem. But then I work along and I get to something like this and I say, oh no! I have different roots. What do I do? One's a 3 and one's a 4. I need to have the same thing. It's not okay to just write this. That's not an acceptable simplified solution. I need to figure out how to make them into one radical with one root. And the trick here is we need these bottom numbers, these denominators to be the same. We need a common denominator. So just think about how we would change fractions if I have 2/3 and 1/4, how I would change those into common denominators. I could make them both into 12 if I multiplied this one by 4s and I multiplied this one by 3s. That would give me 8 and that would give me 3. Now I would have both 12s as my denominator, so I could just rewrite this. This is equivalent to x to the 8/12, y to the 3/12 power. So now to change it, I'm just going to use the 12th root. That's okay, even if it's a big number. It's the same root, though. It's one radical. X to the 8th, y to the 3rd. And that is okay. That's acceptable. It's into one radical. So here's one problem I'd like you to try. A to the 2/5 power, b to the 1/3 power. Pause the video now. Try it. When you're ready, you can start it and I'll work it out. We've got 2/5 and we've got 1/3. A great common denominator there would be 15s. So I can change this to a times 3 over 3 and this times 5 over 5. So that is 6/15 and 5/15. So this is a to the 6/15, b to the 5/15. So I have the 15th root of a to the 6th, b to the 5. Oh, that works. Even if I have different roots, now I have a strategy for how to approach that and how to attack it. So I don't need to freak out when I have different roots in my problem. It's going to be okay.